As parents, we constantly strive to provide the best possible education for our children, laying the foundation for their future success. One important decision many parents face is whether to enroll their child in a private school or public school. While both options have their merits, private schools offer a range of advantages that make them an appealing choice for parents seeking a top-notch education and comprehensive development for their children. In today's video, we'll be exploring several compelling reasons why parents should consider choosing a private school for their child. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoy. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we discuss 5 things to do while touring a college. Let's jump into reason number 1, smaller class sizes and individual attention. One of the primary benefits of private school is the smaller class sizes they typically offer. With fewer students in each class, teachers can provide a more individualized education for each child, catering to their unique learning needs and interests. This personalized approach ensures that children receive the support and guidance necessary to thrive academically and emotionally. The close-knit community fostered in private schools also allows teachers to establish stronger relationships with students, promoting a positive learning environment and a greater sense of belonging. It's something we here at the Tenney School really prioritize with our one-to-one educational model. Reason number 2 is the focus on character development and values. Private schools often prioritize character development alongside academic achievement. They place great importance on instilling strong values, ethics, and social responsibility in students. Many private schools have a well-defined mission and value-driven approach to education. This holistic development fosters well-rounded individuals who possess not only academic prowess, but also the moral compass to navigate through life with integrity and empathy. Reason number 3 is the safe and nurturing environment present at private schools. Private schools maintain a safe, nurturing environment conducive to learning and personal growth. With fewer students and a selective admissions process, private schools can often provide a safer and more controlled setting than public schools. Moreover, private schools often have a stricter disciplinary policy, promoting discipline and respectful behavior among students. The supportive atmosphere encourages students to develop confidence, self-expression, and a positive self-image. Reason number 4 is the strong parental involvement. Private schools tend to foster strong partnerships between parents and educators. These schools actively involve parents in their child's education through regular communication, parent-teacher conferences, and volunteer opportunities. This collaboration allows parents to play an active role in their child's academic journey, ensuring a deeper understanding of their progress and any areas that may require additional support. The sense of community within private schools strengthens parental engagement, creating a network of support for both students and families. Reason number 5 is the presence of diverse extracurricular opportunities. Private schools often offer a wide range of extracurricular activities and enrichment programs that complement the educational curriculum. From sports teams to arts, music, drama, debate, and community service, private schools provide numerous opportunities for students to explore their passions and develop their talents. These activities foster teamwork, leadership skills, and a well-rounded personality, enabling students to discover and pursue their interests beyond the classroom. To conclude, choosing the right school for your child is a significant decision that can profoundly impact their educational journey and future prospects. Private schools offer numerous advantages, including smaller class sizes, rigorous academic programs, character development, a safer learning environment, strong parental involvement, and diverse extracurricular opportunity. While private education may require additional financial investment, the comprehensive education and nurturing environment provided by private schools often yield long-term benefits for students. By considering these compelling reasons, parents can make an informed choice to provide their child with a solid foundation for success in life. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to also hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we go live with a new video.